Give your doggies the freedom to go in and out as they please with Australia's #1 pet door insert for sliding doors from Patio Link. Installation is so easy. Simply insert the pet door insert into your bottom track, adjust your height, and you're done. Our pet door inserts are fully lockable and secure, causing no damage to your frame, which makes them ideal for renters. Our pet door inserts are made with an industry-leading 26mm thick, powder-coated aluminium frame fitted with 5mm tempered glass. Every Patio Link pet door comes with an aluminium powder-coated flap cover, which is fully lockable when required. Our flap is made from a clear, semi-hard polycarbonate material fitted with 2 corner magnets which are adjustable, allowing you to customize the strength of the magnet to suit your dog. An optional soft flap is also available for those with more shy, timid, or older pets that may find a traditional flap harder to navigate. Our factory is located in Varsity Lakes in the Gold Coast. Patio Link has been running strong for over 24 years with thousands of satisfied customers and 5-star reviews. From Chihuahuas to Mastiffs and everything in between, we have all your requirements covered to suit your home for a seamless pet door integration. Patio Link pet doors boast an industry-leading 10-year warranty, old-fashioned service, full after-sales support and spare parts, with real people to take your call and provide the answers you need. If you're interested in purchasing a Patio Link pet door and are unsure if your doors are suitable, simply send us an email to info@patiolink.com.au with photos of your sliding door, along with your door lock and the latch your doors lock onto, and our friendly customer service team will respond. The best thing about Patio Link pet doors is when you move, take your pet door with you.